Welcome to my channel. Mutton gravy restaurant style. Let's make delicious mutton gravy restaurant style. Take a cooker and added mutton, chopped onions, water in it. Add oil. When oil and hot, then add cut tomatoes in it. Peel the tomatoes. Add ginger and garlic paste. Add chopped green chili. Add salt, turmeric, and red chili powder. Add yogurt. Gravy is ready. Add mutton in it. Cooked well. Homemade spice added. Add some water. Cooked well in medium flame. Ready for eat delicious mutton gravy. Thanks for watching.